Hey, today I'm drawing my take on the Bat Boy. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So, just so we end the confusion now, this is not the weekly world news Bat Boy. This is my take on Bat Boy, which is more along the lines of I guess more realistic. I don't know if you call it realistic. It's totally a doodle, but with this one. You saw I threw down the quick airbrush to kind of get where I was going with this, and with this one, gave him the nose. I know that bats usually look like some look like chihuahuas, some look like squirrels, and some have the little predominant little like pig snout, I guess. So that's what I went for with this one. So of course all bats have big ears, so I did that. Struggled trying to get that ear on the right in place. I'm still not happy with it, but it works. It's working. Covered this one with a bunch of hair, and I gave it the furrowed brow, and I usually lay down a yellow tint on this one, but this one I went straight for the purple with high bleed watercolors. Again, this is all digital stuff, so gave him a little pink nose. Added in the blue for the dark hair, and then threw up a green background and the spots, spots. There you go. The Bat Boy Doodle. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you around. Thanks.